Well, I'm just going to go over this once and send it off to Ford. They're saying this is normal. I have to disagree. The dealership's saying this is normal. Walk up to the car, open the door, shut the door, and it starts doing this little dance every time, about every 8 seconds or so. It'll continue to do this until it gives up, usually around 25 times later, 2.5 minutes later. Definitely somewhere kind of on the right side of the engine. There's been times where it's just done it once and stops, and I can kind of believe that may be something realistic. But to do it 25 times, every time you open the door, I really don't believe that's normal. Also, per the dealer, the Ford representative said it can do this at any time, but obviously it seems to be doing it whenever we open the door. This was doing it on the dealership showroom. The dealer obviously didn't know. He said it was the battery was dying, which seemed plausible at the time before I bought it. And the only time it hasn't done it, for the most part, is when I brought it into the dealer about it the day after I bought it. Interesting, there was a little click in the relay box just before it stopped doing it. I think it's done right now. And I'll go open the door again. And here we go again. Definitely the right side of the engine, maybe a bit more towards the front, like right down in here somewhere, I'm guessing. It's hard to tell. So I'm going to go ahead and post this and see if I can get the dealer to try again.